So here we are with the third round of the announcement of Scotch Order of Merit. The first one goes to Mr. Atul Tiwari, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship for Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. I now invite Ms. Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Tribal Affairs for water management in tribal villages using ice stupa. Dr. Kapoor.
Thank you, Dr. Dhanjal. First of all, I convey my sincere thanks and regards on behalf of the MOTA to the entire jury team, Scotch team, for giving us this opportunity. So Ministry of Tribal Affairs has partnered with very number of reputed organizations to develop innovative models with various private organizations and NGOs. The objective of these initiatives is to dismantle inefficient and burdensome practices and encourage some best practices. So as you know, water is a very critical life source, and due to environmental changes, the glaciers are shrinking and the water has become a scarce resource in Leh and Ladakh. So with the help of SECMOL Foundation in the Leh region, so this year we created ice stupas in 26 villages, and we were able to save 70 million liters of water with the help of people. This is a totally participation program with NGOs and people and the ministry. So once again, I convey my sincere thanks to Scotch team. The team SECMOL, by chance, the CEO is in USA. She is not able to join. Once again, I convey my sincere thanks to Scotch team. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The next one also goes to Dr. Kapoor, Ministry of Tribal Affairs for Tribal Health and Nutrition Portal, Swasthya.
Thank you once again. As everybody knows that the tribal health issues are totally different from general population, and there was lack of authenticated and scientific data on tribal health and nutrition. So ministry has partnered with Piramal Foundation, who has developed this Swasthya Health and Nutrition Portal, which is a single point source for presenting the health and nutrition related data. And it captures health and nutrition data for 177 tribal dominated districts. So with me is Piramal Foundation, Dinesh Jagtap also. I will request him to say a few words because they have partnered with us in this initiative. Dinesh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. And we are really thankful to jury and dignitaries over here for recognizing us and encouraging with the award. And this Swasthya portal will help us to make policy towards tribal issues and tribal health particularly, and nutrition aspects also. So this is a very unique platform where we have developed the dashboard for the tribal communities and how their performance over a period of time with the link, with having link with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of WCD. Thank you very much to them.
And congratulations. Yes, guys. The third one, hat-trick, also goes to Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor for the performance dashboard.
Thank you once again. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has developed a data-driven governance model in which all schemes and initiatives of the ministries are end-to-end digitalized. So we have developed 20 dedicated portals, website and mobile apps which are linked to the mother website on one hand and on the other hand with the performance dashboard. So through this, it is being ensured that every penny which is being spent on the welfare of the tribal is monitored and can be viewed by the public. So this initiative we have taken with the help of Center of Excellence for Data Analysis, monitored and can be viewed by the public. So this initiative we have taken with the help of Center of Excellence for Data Analytics, NIXI. So Once again, I thank Scotch team and our partners who have developed these initiatives with us for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations. Additional Secretary, Mr. Atul Kumar Tiwari, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship for Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
Good afternoon. On behalf of MSD, myself Devorshi Chakraborty, Manager PMKVY PMU is here. Along with me, Ms. Shruti Pandey is also here. I'll request to allow Shruti to share his views and inputs for this award.
Yeah.
I think they are coming in sequence, sir.
Okay.
Right now, 6 or 7 it is our 36, sir.
Okay.
I'll inform you, sir, when we are approaching.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Please allow Ms. Shruti to share her view.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Shruti Pandey, Deputy Director, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Namaskar आप सभी को. Regarding Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana 2016-2020, this is the flagship scheme, outcome-based skill training scheme of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Understanding the need to take up skill training to increase productivity and align training and certification with industry requirements, PM through its various verticals aimed at skilling 10 million youth. Since its inception, PMKVY has been able to enroll 97 lakh plus candidates and has been able to spread across 36 states and UTs, 700 plus districts, 117 aspirational districts, and has built up 800 plus PMKKs, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra, with over 55 lakh 49,000 square feet cumulative build-up area. Apart from the PMKKs, over 37 SSCs used 8,000 training centers registered on the SMART portal to conduct trainings and assessments of the candidates. I would invite Devoshri to speak regarding Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and add into it.
So thank you, Shruti. So the thing is that we have created a huge impact covering more than 1 crore youth in last 4 years, and we have gave training in more than 300 job roles across India. And with our able leadership of Mr. Atul Kumar Tiwari and PMKVY division, we could able to reach this milestone. I'm thanking to Scotch team to nominate us as a semi-finalist for this award. Thank you very much to all.
Congratulations to the entire team. Mr. Bikramjeet Singh Shergill, Commissioner from Municipal Corporation Bathinda, rejuvenation of water bodies. Next one also goes to him, setting up of 2209 kilowatt solar power plant.
I want to thank the entire Scotch team to nominate our project for the Scotch Award. Thanks again.
Congratulations. Mr. Rahul Kumar, Mission Director, National Health Mission Punjab for Trans Fat Free Diwali campaign. Next one also goes to him. Screening, detection and management of diabetic retinopathy. Dr. Archana Verma, General Manager, Quality Assurance from National Health Mission, UP, Capacity Building Initiatives. EMARC, Electronic Maintenance of Rural Roads under PMGSY, National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency. Director and Joint Secretary, Mr. Ashish Goyal.
Good afternoon to everyone. Dr. Ashish Goyal could not join, so I'm on his behalf speaking in this forum. I am Pradeep Agrawal, Director Projects, National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency. First of all, let me congratulate the Scotch Foundation for organizing such a big summit, which showcases the government and all projects, as well as discusses on various policy issues. Very knowledgeable, and all the participants, I am sure, must have got a lot of knowledge into it. So thanks the Scotch Foundation for giving us this opportunity to showcase this project, which we call EMAR, Electronic Maintenance of Rural Roads for the PMJSY roads in the entire country. And through this system, actually, what we developed the solution for many things, for the project management, for the maintenance management, and for the maintenance of the rural roads through the digital means. And this platform gives the opportunity for managing the roads and seeing their photographs, actual photographs of the road condition during its entire defect liability period of 5 years. So, and this is going to open to the citizens also. So probably we'll get the feedback from citizens. And then this helps in the administering, maintaining, payment of bills. All these are transparent and the evidence based. What was happening earlier in the system, the evidence was lacking actually. And in this system, we have got geotagged, geo-stamped photographs for all the roads and when they were maintained in what condition. And accordingly, the payment is released on performance-based maintenance contracts. So this can be replicated in other government departments and other private sector also for maintenance in performance related with the objective marking system. Once again, thanks a lot for the Scotch Foundation. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Congratulations, Pradeep ji. The next one also goes to the National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency, Ministry of Rural Development, transformation of PMGSY 3. Mr. Pradeep.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Again, this is our another flagship project actually for the PMJSY 3 scheme. The PMJSY 3 scheme, as all of you know, has been announced by our Honorable Prime Minister in 2019 for upgrading rural road network of 1,25,000 kilometers, and this is targeted to be completed by 2025. So the main issue was that selection of road and the objective selection of the road through the again evidence-based and the digitalization of the things. So what happens that in a block or in a district, the several roads are selected and these roads are given the marking based upon their importance in terms of the habitations it connects, importance in terms of the facilities like hospitals, mandis, schools, and all these facilities. So what happens that we have developed a system, digital system, wherein we have mapped around more than 10 lakhs of the facilities around the country for all the national rural habitations. So all these habitations, once it calculates the importance of the road and then it awards the marking to the roads. So this becomes a very transparent and objective system of selecting the roads which will be used by the public, and this avoids any kind of subjectivity to the selection of the roads. So this is a very good solution which can be replicated again by any of the government agencies involving into these kind of selections. So thanks so much for giving this opportunity of showcasing the projects which will help the society at large. Thank you so much, Scotch Foundation.
Excellent work. Congratulations once again. Ms. Vandana Bhatnagar, Chief Program Officer, National Skill Development Corporation for eSkill India.
Thank you, Dr. Dhanjal. It's a privilege to be part of this entire panel of awardees. We'd like to thank the Scotch jury for selecting the initiative of the National Skill Development Corporation. Through the last 10 years, NSDC has been very actively engaged in the skilling initiatives for the country. We've been building up capacity for delivering skill programs across the country. Over 5 million trainees go through our ecosystem every year. Over the last 1 year, our eSkill India initiative has been rolled out, which is a digital push for skilling, and it has achieved immense scale. Over 4 lakh enrollments have happened, and 800 courses are available across blue collar, gray collar, as well as white collar roles, future skill roles. And we are providing access to learning opportunities to women, to underprivileged sections, as well as the white collar aspirants. So this has been an immense initiative by our team. I'd like to acknowledge the effort made by them through this very difficult period. With great agility and strategic focus, they have achieved scale in a short time with our knowledge partners, 38 knowledge partners. So thank you once again for having our initiative showcased through the Scotch Foundation Awards.
Congratulations. Mr. Kurma Rao, Managing Director, Northeastern Karnataka Road Transport Corporation for response to COVID. Mr. Manoj Kumar Patnaik, Special Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Odisha, for Mo Sarkar. Ms. Deepthi Mahapatro, OSD, Odisha State Road Transport Corporation, for Depot Management System. Mr. Bhagwati Prasad Gopalika, Additional Chief Secretary, Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department, Government of West Bengal, for Annadatri mobile app.
Good afternoon all. Myself Shonit Sinha, representing Mr. B.P. Gopalika, Additional Chief Secretary for E-Governance Department, Government of West Bengal. I thank Scotch Group to provide opportunity in the semi-final. As e-governance wing of the Government of West Bengal, we did implementation of information technology to fight against COVID-19. We have developed inventory management software system with stock maintenance for tracking of goods like masks, PPE, sanitizer used by health professionals and patients, delivered to the various hospitals by transport for Health and Family Welfare Department. It ensured it ensured no leakage in the transportation. Thank you once again.
Congratulations. The next one also goes to the Government of West Bengal, Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms. Response to COVID.
Hi, myself again, Shunit Sinha. We have developed another mobile app for Agri-Marketing Board, Government of West Bengal, to facilitate the farmers to sell their paddy directly to the Government of West Bengal, and also it facilitated the vegetable transporter to get permit instantly to initiate transport without delay during COVID-19 period. It reduced the number of intermediaries between the farmers and buyers, direct payment of farmers through the bank checks. Thank you once again.
Congratulations. Mr. Bhavani Sankar Kalo, Project Director, Directorate of Soil Conservation and Watershed Development, Koraput, Odisha, for Zero Energy Consumed Gravity Field Spring-Based Irrigation System.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My project is innovative best practice zero energy consumed gravity fed spring-based irrigation system. My project area is located.
You have to unmute yourself.
The area Portsil is totally tribal dominated LWE affected area. By the intervention of spring-based irrigation system, 47 acres cultivated wasteland brought under irrigation. Now they are taking intercrop, high-value cash crop, vegetables, and 47 acres land has been converted, and they are taking different vegetables and fruits, and the sustainable development is now noticed in that area.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Rajendra Jagtap, Chairman and Managing Director, Pune Mahanagar Parivahan Mahamandal Limited, or from city waste to city bus.
Yes, Dr. Dhananjal. It's Dr. Chetana Kerure, Joint MD, MPL Limited. And thanks for notifying our work in transport area. The post-COVID and city waste to city bus management system we have developed in PMPL, and that is first in India. So thanks for recognizing our efforts, and thank you everyone, and congratulations to all the semi-finalists in the program. Thank you.
Congratulations to you. The next one also goes to Pune Mahanagar Parivahan Mahamandal Limited for electric bus project.
Yes, thanks again, Dr. Dhananjal. I am representing our CMD, Honorable Dr. Jagtap. Yes, electric bus project in Pune and PCMC city is a unique one, and we are running around 550 buses, electric buses in the PMPL area. So thanks for, again, this is e-Vasundhara project we are, our government, Maharashtra State Maharashtra government has initiated. And we are again participating in that Majhi Vasundhara project, contributing in projecting or protecting our environment, the Mother Earth. So thank you again for recognizing this project also. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. And the third one as well, project called Charisma.
Yes, this is again our innovative project and our CMD's vision actually. So Charisma is a care system and color projecting system to what I can say, attract the citizens. As we all know, the COVID impacted all the public transport agencies, and we are trying to again attract our citizens who are diverted due to the COVID impact to other bus transport systems. So this is an innovative thing. Here we have initiated the color code theme to all our buses system, and yes, it's we are regaining our trust in the public due to this project also. Thank you again.
Congratulations. And aligning transit on all lines, Atal, also goes to the same.
Thank you, Doctor. It's again an innovative initiative started by our Honorable CMD Sir. This is again to overcome the COVID impact on our financial thing. So this is Atal system is 5 minutes, 5 rupees and 5 kilometer transport we are providing to our citizens, which attracted the citizens who were trying to shift to the two-wheeler or three-wheeler transport mode. So again, due to this initiative, we are able to manage our financial losses due to COVID. So thank you for the citizens and thank you for the Scotch finalists and juries to recognize this effort also. So thank you very much.
Congratulations. And one more for response to COVID.
Yes, so in the month of February, when we all know that COVID has started to entering in our India, so the first COVID patient was identified in Pune itself. So due to that impact, we took very much efforts at that time also. We have done social distancing at that time when nobody was aware of the things, so how to do the things. And then the Mahakasam, the maintenance mask, then hands distance and washing of hands regularly. Those all initiatives we have initiated on our bus stops and in our buses. We have started this sanitizer installation in all our buses. Our driver and our staff was masked and using our mask, and what we can say, the ticket-free system we were trying to impact in that time. So it is again a response to COVID, and it is resulted in a good way. So thank you for recognizing this effort also. Thanks.
Thank you very much for joining us. I now invite Dr. Chavi Gupta, Public Grievance Officer, Media Spokesperson, Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital for Public Grievance Management. Mr. Lalit Jain, Director RD and PR, Government of Himachal Pradesh for Gram Kaushal Yojana. Mr. Tejendra Thakur. Do we have Himachal with us? Yes.
हेलो.
Yes, we can hear you.
नमस्कार सर, मैं ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर हूँ, तेजेंद्र ठाकुर जी के बिहाफ पर बात कर रहा हूँ मनरेगा पार्क के लिए. आवाज आ रही है सर?
जी.
सर नमस्कार. सबसे पहले स्कॉच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया कि हम लोगों के सामने ये इनिशिएटिव लेकर आ पाए. ये सर एक प्रयास था जो कि ग्रामीण लोगों ने, आम लोगों ने ग्राम सभा में जिसकी प्लानिंग की थी और ग्रामीण महिलाओं ने जिस पार्क को निर्मित किया और रूरल टूरिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए, कम्युनिटी प्रोग्राम्स को सुविधा देने के लिए, बच्चों को और स्टूडेंट्स को एक्सपोजर विजिट साइट बनाने के लिए, फन एंड रन साइट बनाने के लिए, बायोडाइवर्सिटी हॉटस्पॉट बनाने के लिए और एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने के लिए और महिला स्वयं सहायता समूह एम्पावरमेंट के लिए एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मनरेगा पार्क के रूप में, जिसमें कि 99% राशि मनरेगा से खर्च की गई, ग्रामीण स्तर पर बनाया गया, जिसका कि प्रभाव यहाँ पर मिला है कि ग्रामीण पर्यटन को काफी बढ़ावा मिला ही है। साथ में जो हिमाचल प्रदेश के पर्यटन स्थलों पर काफी बोझ था उसको कम करने में और इकोनॉमिक डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में, क्योंकि पर्यटकों का बोझ जो है वो मुख्य पर्यटक स्थलों पर कम हुआ है, उसको फायदा हुआ है और लगभग 100 से 200 लोगों को डायरेक्ट रोजगार इसमें मिला है। और सबसे बड़ी जो अचीवमेंट इसकी रही है, इस पार्क के निर्माण के बाद हिमाचल प्रदेश में पंचवटी नाम से एक योजना सरकार ने लॉन्च कर दी और पूरे हिमाचल प्रदेश में 400-500 ऐसे पार्क बनाए जा रहे हैं, जिससे लगभग 30-40 हज़ार लोगों को रोजगार मिलेगा। मैं एक बार फिर से स्कॉच संस्था का सभी अपनी पूरी टीम की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
I now invite Mr. Tejendra Thakur, Sarpanch, Gram Panchayat, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj from Himachal.
सर, मैंने तेजेंद्र ठाकुर जी की भी आप पे बोला है, आज वो थोड़े से जी
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इसको आगे बढ़ाएं।
थैंक यू सर।
Dr. Arun Gaur, Professor and Head of Department of Medicine, RVRS Medical College and Mahatma Gandhi Hospital for response to COVID. Mr. Rohit Nathan, Superintendent of Police from Sivaganga. Soul Scope e-Beach platform. Pawan Verma, General Manager HR from SJV Limited for response. Mr. Rabindra Kumar Sahu, Project Director, Directorate of Soil Conservation and Watershed Development, Gajapati, Odisha, for Farm Pond. Mr. Kiran Kumar Godala, Managing Director, South Bengal State Transport Corporation for Integrated Traffic Management System.
Good afternoon. Myself, I am Kiran Kumar. I am Managing Director of South Bengal State Transport Corporation. Our corporation, we have a fleet strength of 927 buses, and we operate buses in all the South Bengal districts, and we connect South Bengal to Kolkata and also to North Bengal. In the last few years, a tremendous improvement has taken place as far as the services of our corporation is concerned, because of the various steps taken by Government of West Bengal, like giving new buses and also starting of new depots and terminals. And for this Scotch Award, we have submitted 2 nominations. One is Integrated Traffic Management System of our corporation, and another is Response to COVID. Our Integrated Traffic Management System is a software which we have developed for integrating all the functions of our corporation, so that we can improve the efficiency of the organization, and also we can manage our inventories better, and we can manage all our functions in a better and in an efficient manner. And it has yielded positive results to us. And our inventory management, our booking, and our grievance redressal now has improved a lot because of this ITMS. And also we have submitted one more nomination for our COVID response. Once this lockdown has been imposed, we all know that a lot of hardship has been imposed upon the general public, and especially the migrant laborers who are stuck in other parts of the country. They were finding it very difficult to come to their destinations, and the Government of West Bengal, especially Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, she has instructed that the fleet of our corporation should be utilized for transporting these migrant laborers to their destinations. And accordingly, we have transported around 4.5 lakhs of migrant laborers from different parts of the state to their destinations. And our crew and our officers, they have voluntarily participated in this task. And we thank Scotch for recognizing our work, and also for giving us this Scotch Order of Merit. And this will definitely help us in improving our commitment to the people, and also it will definitely improve our efficiency. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So the next one also goes to South Bengal State Transport Corporation for response to COVID.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Vinayan J, Chief Commercial Manager from Southern Railway for Rail Dhandora Android application.
Good afternoon, friends. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, we can. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much on behalf of Southern Railway for giving us this opportunity to showcase our talents. And coming from a logistics service provider, we really appreciate the sheer logistics nightmare that this kind of setting up a meeting online even would have been. Everyone says when railways does well, railway is the prime mover of the nation, and when railways does well, the country does well. For railways to do well, our staff should know what to do and how to do it. How do the staff know? So for 160 years, we have been bringing out circulars in print, millions and millions of reams of paper every year to these 13.5 lakh, 1.35 million workers, staff and officers all over the country. This is another logistics nightmare. So what we have done is, over the years, we have changed it from a hard paper to a website access for all our staff to know the rules and regulations and the procedures and specifications. But even that proved to be a bit cumbersome because everything needs to be still printed out to have personal access. So we developed our Rail Dhandora, which brings every circular, customize it to your mobile phone, your smartphone. That is what this app provides. It was developed in-house by us without involving any vendor or supplier. And now it has been downloaded already. Over about 50,000 downloads are there. And all the railways, though I am from Southern Railway, we developed it locally. All the railways staff across the country are downloading it, and it is proving very, very useful for our purpose. This is in line with the digital initiative of the Government of India, and also part of the ongoing continuous process of rejuvenation and reinvention that goes on in my organization, Southern Railway. Once again, thanks to everyone for giving us this opportunity. And I request all the participants here, you vote for yourself in your group and then vote for Southern Railway in the other groups. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to you. Response to COVID, another one goes to Southern Railway. This time round, Mr. John Thomas, General Manager.
Thank you. I'm speaking on behalf of John Thomas, sir, our boss. This was a whole team effort from all the 10 departments of our railway. As you know, southern region after Mumbai area, southern region is where there's a maximum of guest workers who have come in from the mostly the eastern sector. So COVID, while everybody was staying indoors, the first few months of COVID, our boys and girls were working every day of the COVID period right from day one, because first we had this 3 months of contact tracing. So all these millions of passengers came from various parts of the country into Southern Railway, because our workers are all over the place in the white collar jobs. And then we had to do contact tracing for millions of them, and then coordinate with the 4 southern states round the clock for tracing the contacts and preventing the spread. And then started the Shramik specials, in which we transported over 1 million plus migrant workers, guest workers, to again Bengal and Jharkhand, Orissa, or that area, Assam, all those eastern sector areas, with free tickets arranged by the state, free food from outside, ensuring social distancing, another logistics nightmare. So this has been done with the complete support of all our 10 departments and all the officers and staff together. On behalf of our General Manager, Sri John Thomas, I thank Scotch team once again and the jurors for shortlisting this mammoth effort and giving us an opportunity to showcase this. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations once again to you. Dr. Rosie Vaid, Professor and Head cum State Training Coordinator from State Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Punjab. Response to COVID.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm here on behalf of Dr. Rosie ma'am. She is also here with us online, but due to technical reason, her video is not visible. Thanks to the Scotch Group for presenting us this award. thanks for, and we have showcased our initiatives that we had taken during COVID-19. Thank you, Scotch Group.
Well, congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Anurag Verma, Principal Secretary, Technical Education and Industrial Training Department, Punjab, for DST, Developing Core Competencies in Synergy with Industry. Curbing the COVID-19 pandemic, the mask way. Another one goes to the Technical Education and Industrial Training Department, Punjab. The third one, Admission 2020, a visionary approach to outsmart the pandemic, to the Department of Industrial Training and Technical Education. COVID-19 embarking upon a new era of digital literacy, yet another one for Punjab Industrial Training Department and Technical Education. Response to COVID for the Transport Department, Bihar, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Agarwal.
Yeah, Secretary Sir couldn't be here due to some prior engagements. I am joined by Mr. OSD Sir, Ajib Batraj. I thank the entire Scotch team on behalf of Transport Department for recognizing our efforts undertaken during the COVID-19 lockdown for evacuation of more than 25 lakh migrant workers. Thank you. Thanks again.
Hello.
Mr. Vinod Kumar Suman, Director, Urban Development Directorate from Uttarakhand for e-commerce.
Thank you very much. I am Kamlesh Mehta, Joint Director. I am speaking on behalf of our Director, sir. Thank you very much, Scotch Group. And we are thankful to you for providing this platform to showcase our efforts. This initiative is for the urban poor, where under livelihoods, we provided them marketing platform like Amazon and Flipkart, where they can market their product. I hope this project certainly helped them in enhancing their incomes. Thank you, Scotch Group.
Well, congratulations to you. Another one goes to the Urban Development Directorate, Uttarakhand, integrated decentralized SWM model in Dehradun. So congratulations once again.
Yeah, thank you. This is our solid waste management project. As you know, solid waste is one of the biggest challenges in our cities. And we developed a standalone model in one of our ward where we ensured source segregation of the waste generated from various households and other industrial
well, we have
establishments.
To move on, at this moment, thank you very much for joining us and congratulations to the department and the entire team. Great work done. The third one as well, which is implementation of e-office module in Urban Directorate.
Thank you very much. E-office.
Thank you so much.
Kirat.
Response to COVID for Uttar Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation, Mr. Dheeraj Sahu, Managing Director. And Mr. Kunal Silku, Mission Director, Uttar Pradesh Skill Development Mission.
नमस्कार, मैं राजीव यादव कुणाल सिल्कू एमडी साहब से बिहाफ पर आप सबके साथ मुखातिब हूँ। मैं सबसे पहले थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा स्कॉच फाउंडेशन की टीम को। इन्होंने स्किल के क्षेत्र में उत्तर प्रदेश स्किल डेवलपमेंट मिशन द्वारा किए गए कार्यों को देश के साथ शेयर करने का मौका दिया, जिससे कि देश जान सके कि किस तरह के नए इनिशिएटिव उत्तर प्रदेश स्किल डेवलपमेंट मिशन ले रहा है। मैं सबसे पहले ये बताना चाहूँगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश स्किल मिशन इस समय तकरीबन 1200 ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर के साथ काम कर रहा है, जिसमें जिन्होंने तकरीबन 14 लाख लोगों को, 14 लाख ट्रेनर्स को या स्टूडेंट्स को कह ले, उनको ट्रेन किया है। और तकरीबन 80% जो है कि हमारे इस ट्रेंड वर्क फोर्स का कहते हैं कि ये प्लेस्ड हुए हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश स्किल डेवलपमेंट मिशन ने
कि आप इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं, हम तो ये चाहते हैं कि आप इसको और बुलंदियों पर ले जाएं और ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाएं।
जी शुक्रिया साहब। मैं
करने के लिए आपको
एक चीज शेयर करने का मौका जरूर चाहूंगा कि स्किल डेवलपमेंट हिंदुस्तान में सबसे पहले फ्लैक्सी पार्टनर की मॉडल लाया है, जिसमें उन्होंने इंडस्ट्री, सर्विस इंडस्ट्री और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री को जोड़ा अपनी ट्रेनिंग के। इसमें इंडिया की बेस्ट जो बड़ी कंपनीज हैं वो हमारे साथ एज ए ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर जुड़ी हुई है और वो स्किल का काम बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से और प्लेसमेंट का काम कर रही है।
बहुत बढ़िया, आपको
जी शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर।
Yes, we come to the end of this round of announcement of